put some more stuff in real quick.
What is going on, guys? How's it going? Welcome to my channel, guys. John with the Camaro. Like it says it on the seats, John with the Camaro right there. Woo! I previously uploaded a video on how to make your V8 car pop and crackle off your exhaust. I know it was a shitty upload. I understand that. It got so much hate. Well, not really so much hate, but it got 10 dislikes and 5 likes. Really just want to make a re-upload of, you know how to do it. First thing is first is you want to press the brake and you want to start the engine, you feel me? That is what you want to do first, you feel me? Oh, the love of a cold start. The cold start, let me hear it. Oh. Now, you guys are thinking, why in the hell does John have a check engine light? So as you can see, my check engine light is on, and this car is used. I got it with 18,000 miles. Right now it has 22,000 miles. But the cost to me having an engine light is because I took off the regular mufflers and I deleted them.
Really, nigga?
I did a resonator delete and a muffler delete on the car. So basically it's pure straight pipe. Oh hell no! In order for me to take off the check engine light, I gotta go take it through a scanner. So while we let the car heat up, get to its normal stage, where it's like 210, I'm literally gonna just show you guys how to do it right now. Do it! In my opinion, guys, I don't think you need to have it either on tour mode or on sports mode or on track mode. It doesn't matter. You could have it in any stage you want, and in my opinion, they sound the same when you keep the rev limiter at where you need to have it at. But I will show you guys the different stages from tour mode, sports mode, and on track mode, because the valves open from the exhaust and they make the sounding of the car a bit more louder. You guys be the judge of it, man. Y'all be the judge of if the car's louder on tour, on sports, or on track mode. But you gotta have it on shift mode. And if you have a manual car, you already know what to do. You put it on second gear. You keep it at second gear. You don't want to move it any higher than that. Second gear's cool. Third gear, maybe it'll make some popping noises, but it won't be as loud as second gear. Even the top one, just so that you guys can have that perfect hearing of the pops, man. We have on a stop sign. It's gonna go to first gear, change it back to second. So what you guys want to do. So you guys are hitting to third revs. Make sure you guys have it on third revs. Have it. Have it. There you go, man. You're just making them pops. So you have to keep it under 30 miles per hour, and you want to have it on third revs. Now we're trying it on sports mode, opening the valves a little bit higher. So let's not rev it, but let's get them pops going. Pops are just going. These pops are just going hella loud. Holy shit. On track mode, let's see how it goes. Ooh, man, these just pops, man. God damn. To watch this car, then look at how dirty these rims are. Freaking dirty. You just seen the rims really dirty, man. I'm gonna take my car a wash in a bit. I got a car meet to head to later today. It's Wednesday. What do you think though, from tour, sports, and track mode, Which one do you think was much louder? Leave a comment below. Camaro is a 6.3 liter engine, so I don't know if your V8 that's under 6.3 will do the same soundings. It will make the same poppings. And if you guys can as well change it from tour mode, sports mode, and track mode. I have the Camaro SS 2017 and it does have that. You also have to modify the exhaust. I don't think stock exhaust will make loud pops. It will crack and pop a little bit, but it won't make like really aggressive pops when you want it to. So all that said and done, if you guys enjoyed the video, man, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment, like I said again. You guys are the judge of how loud it was from tour mode, sports mode, and track mode. Leave a comment below. If you guys are not new, man, thank you again for watching another video of John with a Camaro, or can I say two Camaros since I still have my white one, my V6, man. If you guys did enjoy it, man, thank you guys again for watching, man. See you on my next video, man. I'm out. Peace.